At long last comes the story of a truck and the man who loved it. This spring, this Friday actually, get ready to believe a man can hear a truck actually talk.
You mean like the truck whisperer?
Exactly.
Tell them, D'Angelo. Tell them.
I will.
Critics are calling it very moving. And I've never seen a better movie about a man in a truck. From the people who brought you dangerous dogs and strange pandemic hobbies comes an unforgettable tale, The Truck Whisperer. Opening March 15th on the club's YouTube channel.